Let's hop into our Whissel widget of the week. I remembered mine, but I want you to go first.
Oh, you remembered yours?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is something that we use in our daily lives. Helps us have more fun, save us time, save us money. Just, something we use.
Yes.
What do you got, Janice?
I got Canva.
Ooh, good one.
Canva on the phone. It's a wonderful app, and it works just as easy as it does on the laptop.
That's a good call.
So you can pull up flyers that you had already created. You can modify them. You can do all of that here. And Canva's got some new stuff that's come that now for Instagram and all that stuff.
They've got video editing with the Pro plan. You can remove
Isn't
backgrounds.
that crazy?
It's great.
Yeah, and you got it all in the palm of your hand.
We actually have our designer. He uses Adobe Illustrator. It's very confusing. I don't know how to even download anything. I tell him design it there. I don't care what you do. But I say put it in Canva so I can edit it. Right. And so he's doing things for us where he's designing it there, putting it in Canva, and then either I or one of my team members are changing the photo out, and we're good to go. It's done. So
yes.
I love that.
This is a time saver right here for agents who have to create flyers and anything. Even now, like you say, TikTok video. I mean, not TikTok. Did I say TikTok? Instagram.
You can.
I can't. Okay.
You can say TikTok. It's not a bad word. Oh, is that what happened?
I don't know. Sometimes we don't talk about TikTok. So,
why are we not? Okay, that's a different podcast. Okay, I love it. I love Canva. I actually opened it up this morning to look at the design that RJ sent me. So I love it.
Oh,
good.
Okay, good.
My widget is for those of us iPhone users. Not all of us are iPhone users. Oh. You guys are fine. I'm not going to give you shit about it. That's fine. I don't want to. Kyle goes down the way wrong. It doesn't matter. But I have an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, listen. If you don't, that's fine. The new iOS update, I think it's iOS 16, will allow you to change your wallpaper. The thing that I really like about, you can add widgets and stuff. The one I have now is, I'll tell you how to do it too. You just long press on the wallpaper. Oops, I gotta unlock it first. And it'll allow you to customize it. You hit the little plus button to customize it. And at the top, it says add a new wallpaper, and you hit the photo shuffle. And what that does is you can shuffle some photos on your phone. You can tell which ones to do it from. And so it'll show you photos, and I have it set to where every time I tap it, shows me a new photo. It says my beautiful Prim and my beautiful Georgia. So I love seeing it, and it updates every day, so I get new photos. So the new wallpaper on my iPhone is my favorite thing, my favorite tech gadget that I've used in the last month, I think.
Hey, I like that.
Well, thank you so much for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Go to thewhisselway.com for more and more and more to help you grow your business. See y'all next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.